Hop into the 2016 Honda Pilot. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Honda Pilot, the refined, spacious family SUV that keeps you safe, comfortable, and in command on every adventure. From all-weather and towing capability to comfortable cruising, it's the ultimate family vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, rear AC. Modern refinement meets rugged capability in this family-friendly Honda Pilot. Come on in and take it out for a drive.